So I don't know how to vlog and I forgot to do an intro, so here we are. Welcome to the vlog. Let's get started. Is it recording? There we go. Oh, here comes a car. Perfect timing! Basically, rest in peace to me because I'm recording outside and people are probably staring at me and I have social anxiety, so it's great. But basically I'm gonna do something that I'm completely 100% terrified with, and I'm going to be getting my cartilage pierced for my 16th birthday, but my birthday's in 2 months, so yeah. But the thing is, I'm just really scared, and I looked up some videos on YouTube and the needle is like this long and I'm really scared. I'm freaking out inside, like, oh, people are staring at me. I'm living that YouTuber life. But yeah, so I'm doing this for my birthday and I'm really scared. I already have 4 piercings and yeah. And we're gonna do this early so it's before school. And I'm so scared right now. Like, my heart's pumping and I haven't even left the house yet. My mom's like, you need to get ready, go out, and just like, I'm gonna die. It's gonna hurt, and I don't want, like, when they like put it in, if it like takes a really long time. Oh my gosh, it's gonna hurt so bad. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. I don't know if I want to do this. Do I want to do this? Ooh, okay, look it, we're gonna bring Mika on the trip here. I don't know if I posted the video yet, but I got a puppy. You gonna give me kisses? No. I really don't know if I want to do this, guys. So we made it to the place and I'm about to go get my ear pierced. I'm gonna get this one done and it's gonna be like here, I think. Right there.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard for love to ever last. I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard for love to ever last.
Okay, so for the review part of it, I'm really liking it. It's still really sore and I can only sleep on my right side of my body, and it's really painful when I touch it. It's not as bad as like a few days ago, but it's still pretty bad. And yeah, I'm pretty much loving it. And that way, since I did it before school, it'll have time to heal, so it won't be as painful during school time. So yeah, I love it, and if you like it, comment down below and let me know what you think. It hurt really bad, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. But yeah. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what you think about it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And now for the post notification shout out time. That goes to Andy Profit. Thank you for turning my post notifications on. If you'd like a post notification shout out in my next video, comment down below this video and press that bell so you can get a post notification shout out, and I will feature you in my next video. Bye guys. On to the bloopers. Bye. I love you guys.
As if the cars are waiting.
Okay, ready? So So for post notification shout out time, the notification shout out goes. I'm cringy. I'm really cringy. It hurts.